Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge, and in this project I'm gonna do a leap year checker. I will start by defining my leap year function. I will just name it leap year, and as a parameter it should take my year, so I will add year here. Now my I should check remainder of this year divided by 4. Uh, so to do this, I should add a if condition. If my year divided by 4 and remainder equals to 0, then I can say that this is, I can print that it's a leap year. Now, here my if condition checks our year divided by 4, and if the remainder equals to 0, it will print it's a leap year. I will add another if condition. This will be if year divided by 4 not equal to 0, then I will print it's not leap year. As you can see, this elif condition checks if my year divided by 4 it's not equal to remainder of divided by 4 is not equal to 0, then it will print it's not a leap year. And I will just add else condition. If my year is not valid, it can check divide by 4. So I will just print please enter a valid year. Because if year is my year is in a correct form, should be it should be able to divide it by 4 or not divided by 4. If both of these conditions is not working, then my year is not valid. So I am printing please enter a valid year. Now I should check and call my function. I will call it here, and I will just give it 2004. Now if I run my code, as you can see, it prints it's a leap year. Now I will change my year, and I will do it 2003. Now I will try, and it prints it's not a leap year. If I enter, for example, string here, now, all arguments. Now, why I am getting this error? I am getting this error because Python tries to my year turn into an integer, but it can't because our year is a string, so it gives its rise this type error. But so that's why my else condition is not working. Hmm. What can I do now? I, for example, give another string. I will get this error again. That means first I should check my year, then I should do this. So I will use this else condition somewhere else. First, I will check if year type of my year equals to integer, then I will go for this, go and check for this condition. Because if it's not integer, then I will print please enter a valid number. By the way, if my year is not integer or float, I will see this print condition again. Now I will try, and as you can see, it prints please enter a valid number. Good. And that's it for my leap year function. We have to add this type check because we are getting type error otherwise. So that's it. This project is done and we will meet again in next project. So see you again.